Learn our culture and learn our culture. Cause you don't know our bumbleclad culture.
A few moments later.
No, the show last night. It gone good.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
The promotion was fuckery. The promotion was badly executed. You have to do better. This man is blood clot hated, although him are the baddest blood clot thing out there. Yeah.
Jesus, this like no man.
2,000 years later.
Dancehall, we don't get massacre show in a Barclay so loud. Big up CJ Milan. But me have to say this too, the new name for Badmind, a Gaza Nation.
13 years. It take you to come back out from prison to come put back dancehall on the map. That's the can influence people. If you go in an arena, influence people. Influence dancehall artists. If you get more pay.
Suck your mother. Let me move your pussy wall and come down.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
And if it's a Vybz Kartel man, and wash him foot man. It's a Vybz Kartel man. Wash him foot and drink the water man.
Brother, what's that?
Batty boy. You don't like Alkaline, Massacre try to interview like Alkaline. Everything you man a copy, I try to be Alkaline, bro. And when we really check his stats, I'm not joking, When we really check his stats, I'm not joking, Alkaline a copycat, from money we know say him a copycat, And Alkaline a copy to again, That's what I'm telling you, say dancehall. That's what I'm telling you, bro, say. A Vybz Kartel the blueprint for dancehall, Me telling you, say a Vybz Kartel the blueprint, cause check his stats. Alkaline a copy Kartel start dance, cause from what they see start act up things to yourself and stay show, That I want Alkaline to, Him start act.
Why are you crying?
Massacre do an interview. What have to do with Alkaline?
One eternity later.
Massacre show at Barclays was a really good turnout to me. A lot of people may say I compare the performance and the turnout of the crowd to Alkaline and
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, how the latest news them lock?
No, one Media Fox pan up, Boy, people are big things are going. I see a woman fall out and this CJ Milan. I don't know if she a wife, she a crooks or war. A bag of thing, I don't know. But, John, from Massacre to the arena, a bag of thing attack. I'm going to just laugh and shake me. You understand? But I can hear what she say.
Learn our culture and learn our culture. Cause you don't know our bumbleclad culture. Cause first and foremost, me a look into you, gally. Me don't know your pronouns, by the way. But for now, me a go call you gally. You understand? So, you cancel the show at Atlanta and you cancel the show at Florida because of death in a family. You understand? We take it from with chin. You understand? The Alkaline show where did I for keep Florida. We take it from with chin. And I'm my blood clot artist that anyway. So that is neither here nor fucking there. No, the show last night. It gone good. But deep down inside it could have gone better. We all know it could have gone better.
Yo, Jano. Well, I feel your opinion that still, You see me? I don't understand go on better me the thing. The people them say the show go on good and every little thing. So I don't really know how I go on. You see it?
You think because your name is attached to it, right? It have to sell off. The promotion was fuckery. The promotion was badly executed.
But I think Massacre show promote the more than like Kartel and Alkaline show. Them dip on the road with parade, Jamaican parade, I promote. Me not CJ not do that with Vybz Kartel or Alkaline show. Massacre show are the most promoted out of all of the show. Me I tell you. Plus Massacre drop an album, Def Jam, I do interviews and a bag of thing and a ray. And the show get really promote. It promote more than Alkaline and Vybz Kartel. Remember the parade there, Jamaica parade. A be a Massacre, be a CJ, everything. So, me no know. You understand? That me no understand.
Better. This man is blood clot hated. although him are the baddest blood clot thing out there. You understand? Your name alone is not blood clot. CJ Milan, learn my blood clot culture. Them eat the blood clot, man. You should have promote out blood clot.
So, him eat, I don't understand this. Them eat Alkaline too. And Alkaline never promote like how Massacre promote, and it's still sold out. Ram out. So, I don't know, I guess she in there and see what go on or something. You understand? And she say eat, but I saw it go. I just a competition. When everybody that eat pan Alka and Ray, nobody never found out and I say this eat the man and Ray. But I saw it go. What kind of said the industry kind of like Massacre. You see me? So you have to make sure say protected and make sure say yo it Ray. But the show go on. It go on with that thing. You understand? The people them come out for him. You see it? It may be not packed to capacity as usual. You see me? But enough people forward out same way. So I don't know, I guess she in there and see certain things and I say, yo, Jano, she not like this. You see me?
Learn what bomba clot culture. Big up the real promoter them in a Jamaica. Out. Big up Marcus. Big up the man that will keep milk and honey. Big up the team there. Big up the man that will keep the thing out here in Atlanta. The Sunday thing. Big up them. Learn what culture, goodie. Learn it.
You know, so to be honest, I don't like that energy still. Because she a big up the other promoter, the man. CJ do good for the culture. You understand? She a rep the dancehall culture and the arenas, them and everything. No, man. You have to give the woman credit, man. You understand? She have to get her credit. You understand? Because she been a put dancehall in the arena and thing. Although dancehall, the inner the arena before, she still, based on, Buju did dead and so, but she been a keep in the arena with Movada and I don't know them, like in a 2024. She been a do it. You understand? So we still have to give her credit same way. You see me? Especially on the international market. We understand the other promoter them too, but she do it on a big scale. You see me? I just saw a thing go and everybody will get the same turnout and everybody will get the same promotion, all of them little thing there. You see me? Yeah, man. So I want them thing, but we have to give CJ Milan her credit. You see it? Because she do it. You see me? I'm going to Nico fire say people.
Dancehall, we don't get Massacre show in a Barclays sold out. Big up CJ Milan. But me have to say this too, the new name for Badmind, a Gaza Nation. The new name for Badmind, a Gaza Flaggers them. Me say big up every artist will show Massacre the strength and turnout in a New York. Big up Vanessa Bling. But me hear the Gaza Nation, them a tear down Vanessa Bling in a wickedest way. Them a say the girl a traitor. And me not see the girl do Vybz Kartel. No, them disrespect. Hey.
Yeah, man, Gaza thing a destruction, man. You know they say, them always say people are bad mind them artists, but everything what other artists do is a problem to them. Them start bring them down everything. Now most them bad mind. When Kartel in the arena, I never hear this bring down and all of them little thing there. The only thing people say, yo, him can't do it again with same price, that's all. But them money every day pull up ticket, this, that, retail, bill, I say, free ticket I give away, all of them little something there. You see me, them no want to see no other dancehall artists do nothing. Them no rate female, them no rate Lisa, man no rate Vanessa Bling, You see me? And them no too rate the other artists them in Gaza as female, it's just that them no kind of flip up away. Yet, but them not rate them, brother. Them not rate them.
Not one of them come out and say Massacre had a good show. Not one of them say dancehall win. Not one of them say it's a good look for dancehall and dancehall music. The hate for Massacre is normal over the Gaza side. Remember, Nico Fire, me first company media and say Massacre, you need to do your own show. And Massacre listen to me and take my advice. CJ Million, them do it. And them do a tremendous job. Even CJ Milan get it. Big up every dancehall artist to show up. Massacre support. But me see them a ton pan Vanessa Bling now. My think that woman them a disrespect. Me say yo, me not like them. Me not like them. Massacre, dancehall win. Dancehall win. All who agree with me say dancehall win. Comment and just say dancehall win. You see now, Oasis Music Festival over there in Canada. Next big show Massacre have and Nico Fire me a play on it. They take them out crash out. But you know what they crash out again? Massacre I go win one Grammy. But shh. I don't never hear Nico Fire tell you no, but Massacre go win one Grammy. Forever rain. Massacre go win one Grammy.
Well, I saw it going to make we see what go on, So people, the Badmind Nuffy forward out, That's why I tell you, from Vybz Kartel forward out, It come like says dancehall turn and bring down culture even worse. Them man ya want put dancehall in a one man hand. I disrespect other artists, them we do them thing and represent dancehall. Them not care about dancehall. You understand? And Vybz Kartel show that too. Cause when him go reggae land, him do a video and the man say, yo. Him say, yo, what I'm doing at 2 years, the other rest of artists them never do in them entire career. Them man are some bad mind talk, the man them do me G. Me I tell them no want the culture grow. You understand? A man found out and a man coulda just do him thing and just represent dancehall. But them can't do it without preying other artists and compare themselves with other artists what them do in a 2 years and all of them look at thing they are that me no rate. Enough dancehall artists out there do great Shaggy and Champagne. Me never hear them man they found out and say certain things. You see me? Them man they just pay them respect and just cut. Me I tell you, them man they do big scale and dancehall every and man them not try bring down the youth them and all of them look at thing. The man they work with the youth them. You see it? But we you enough here say?
Most influential man in music, Vybz Kartel. 13 years. It take you to come back out from prison to come put back dancehall on the map.
13 years. 13 years him do what him do and go do him time. This that nothing to do with dancehall, me G. Put back which dancehall on map. I saw no pre-culture and that's what I tell you so no Badmind the young youths them And that me I tell you But forward out and put dancehall back on map. Dancehall there before Vybz Kartel, me G. When if stop mash up the culture within a talking, make it look like say yo dancehall did create by Vybz Kartel. When you live in a box, me G, you see Gaza mentality, sheep brain, CPU, it full up of too much virus. When you out there tell people madness, dancehall been a go on. When you try to compare controversy and prison hype and them thing with dancehall. And that's how it go me G. What Vybz Kartel I do now? What am I do? When you just attack, Vybz Kartel just do some shows we never did do before. You understand? See things I get back to normal right now. Him do what him for do already, do him shows them.
So can influence people. If you go in an arena, influence people. Influence dancehall artists. To get more pay. You know what I mean? When Afrobeat have dancehall a choke. A lot of dancehall artists did outside. What they do? They never have nobody to compete with. They never have nobody to try to compete over. But as I said before, you have to have a leader. You have to have somebody to lead that others can follow and get to try to reach up at the top. But while they're trying to reach up at the top, there must be a homage and respect to the man who said the thing and come back and said the thing. Just as a man still a fight to be the king, and if him still be the king, dancehall now moves. In at this time, Afrobeat take over. And they look one but they did it. We say them are new king now and young king and all type of king and all sorts of something. They never have the urge. They never have the urge to have babes on a go on so. Because what? Nobody was there for them to fight and try to get the space and want to try to get in that position and say them are the man and them right by your wagon and them man see man come and tell them I say go the G and him never did a friend and I'm on the man they a friend and
so I must say attack. Nuffy. Nobody with You see sometime when you talk, you are one sheep, Remember say you get boxed down in a youth. You understand? That's why I tell you say when you come like sissy, when you keep on and bring up this Afrobeats thing. Brother, Kartel no do nothing for shake up the Afrobeats youth. That's why I tell you say you don't know nothing about music. Afrobeats never yet take over dancehall. When something take over, it take over at a high percentage. When Afrobeats, when Burna Boy them about 2019, all of them artists that they first signed with label, them just are introduced to the world on a bigger scale. You understand? If you go in a one dancehall party, you are tell me say more African I go play more than dancehall song. Where you get that from me, G? Around 2020, 2019, Afrobeats is kind of new on a big scale when it comes to the world. You understand? And not take over that. It come like hip hop. So we don't go say hip hop take over dancehall though. When hip hop been a playing a dancehall party, that no make no sense, me G. That no take over. And because Vybz Kartel fought from prison now use the analogy because you want to make it seem like say Kartel is this dancehall and Kartel now do nothing major international when it comes to music, me G. Wanna stop spread propaganda and madness. You understand? The reason why Afrobeats right now are rare is because Afrobeats, I saw the culture them and the genre them stay. Them peak, then them fall. I saw it go Afrobeats still a go on. But then it just knew it just a introduced. Burna Boy box about 2019, my G. 2019. The man I just start get some big major hits and every little thing. Whiskey them, the whole of them, Davido them. So that make it seem like that did happen. Can't understand the word take over, you know. Afrobeats never yet take over dancehall, my G. Or if you take over when it inspired by dancehall. On another sense. Couple African songs are playing a party. But it never take over because mostly dancehall play, my G. But because of Vybz Kartel, no one forward and test some madness. You understand? Now go and like say a Vybz Kartel song alone and playing a dancehall. Remember beat on the usually beat up DJ, you know, and force a Kartel song them pan the youths them, you know. Remember that, you know. Uno no want no youth to make it. Remember me tell you, from Vybz Kartel fought from prison, it culture come like a destruction. Me I tell you that when Keznam they win Grammy. Uno bring down the youth, bring down Grammy, until it get worse, Vybz Kartel have to put out a report. Say yo, if I know him and him lawyer and manager, there's nobody else to talk for him. To the disgrace. Uno bring down heavy artists. Few years ago when Kartel the prison, them thing I never go on. You understand? On a big scale, when I bring down heavy artists, they look at the dancehall artists, them look at young one, them a dominate and I do them thing. And we I say, do it youth. But from Vybz Kartel fought from prison, uno forward that this the youth, them and this, and Ray. Vybz Kartel now done a bag of arena now, him do one with him and Movado. Yes, it's still a dancehall representation, but you know make it look like say, yo, this a man who create dancehall and all of them little thing. A sheep mentality that. Sheep. You understand? All in a dancehall, me soon try to prep up one 50-year-old man. Because of prison hype and controversy. One I use a major dancer. That is not dancehall, my G. That is some internet thing and some sheep worshiping thing. You see it? The youth them do it. You see me? Kartel do him time already, do him little thing. You ain't still a dropping music. Just understand the metrics. Every artist I go through it. I saw it go when Vybz Kartel young in him days. And him a do it when him younger. You understand? I saw it go as a recycle. Next. You see me?
I start something. You know? And when them they all about I say, free Vybz Kartel. Because them want to get some forward and fight and all of these things. Them get all cockatty. As if I them might do it. But guess what? When if it's a Vybz Kartel man, I wash him foot man. It's a Vybz Kartel man. Wash him foot and drink the water man.
So I tell the dancehall artists them for washing foot and drink the water. People don't hear them mentality. You know see them money nasty. Nuffy, why you not drink Kartel water, my G? Why you not drink Kartel foot water? Bro, I'm telling about you see, that's why I see why you get the box and you're there worship. You not brother, you not militant. You not no backbone as a man, my G. Why you not drink it? I come like you want drink it. Yeah man, stop fight the youths them man. Make the youths them do them thing. Yeah, we have a competition now and then. But when the youths them do them thing, them stop badmind the youths them and una say people are badmind Vybz Kartel. When I una out here every day I bring down artists, I say Kartel this and artists you drink Kartel foot water. You say who no? Remember me tell you man.
But in Afrobeat take away dancehall, flat footed and flatted left and drum. Vybz Kartel has influenced you guys. If you can come collect big payday, big check. They're in an arena. I'm not in a marina. And if you congratulate the G, I show the G some respect. I'm on another topic now. Oh my God.
Brother, stop your nice. Buju did dead in an arena. You're not talking about Buju. Buju in an arena long time. You understand? Arena done more than them man in an arena before Vybz Kartel found out. Taxi EJ Miller from 2024. Alkaline our popcorn in an arena already. Alkaline announced the arena before Vybz Kartel. From 2024, Alkaline announced the UK arena OVO. And Vybz Kartel in March, around February 2025. Some don't know what not talk about. Alkaline would have still going in arena same way without Vybz Kartel if they go through the trial. Brother, I don't want from day one, I don't want people bow down to Kartel, my bro. Kartel is a human. And a dancehall artist. Nothing special, my G. You understand? I just saw a thing on music.
Hey, Gaza fans, me no care when nobody want to say, you know. Me no care when nobody want to say, bro, but me have to talk the truth. I'm never forever talk the truth, bro. Me go forever talk the truth. And you know, say me these stick Gaza headquarters make a video and say, Massacre live in an Alkaline shutdown. Massacre try do everything like Alkaline. Massacre try talk like Alkaline. Massacre try walk like Alkaline. Massacre try sit down like Alkaline. Massacre try do interview like Alkaline. Everything you man a copy try to be Alkaline, bro. And when me really check his stats, I'm not joking, you know. When we really check his stats, I'm not joking, you know. Alkaline a copycat, you know, from money, we know say him a copycat, you know. And you Alkaline a copy to again, you know. That's what I'm telling you, say dancehall. That's what I'm telling you, know, bro, say. Vybz Kartel the blueprint for dancehall, you know. Me telling you, say Vybz Kartel the blueprint. Can check his stats. Alkaline a copy Kartel start dance. Cause from what you see, start upload himself on stage, you know. That I want Alkaline to, you know. Him start upload himself on stage, you know. Cause from Kartel, cause watch ya. We've been a watch Alkaline over the years of perform. In the end, a dancer. We've been a watch Massacre over the years of perform. Massacre in the dance. Them in the dance.
Yo, I tell you, say, guys are crash out, you know. Guys are crash out for real. I tell you, say, Alkaline and Massacre have them brain a shiver. I'm tell you this, it's a reality and God, I will show you the next generation leader them. You understand? Yeah. The Massacre and the Alkaline thing, it no matter what. I told you, them always say, alright. They have the potential, they can't do it. You see me? But the guys are crash out right now. Them want pin Massacre and the career for Kartel freak and they just work me G. I saw it go dog. When you feel like say every artist about, you know say all the artists I'm about to Kartel is like when not even pay them no respect, when not even call them name. You understand? Yeah, it's like them not even in a conversation. And I want them to youth to bow down. Although Massacre did dead already, I do him like a thing. And him say, alright, yo, more move like how Alka move with film brand and everything. Yo, me now go grow this, you know. And him cut. You understand? That's how you think go me G. We have to just move on, that's just reality. You see it?
Kartel come from where you start performing on stage and move active and dance and something. You see Alkaline on stage, kill up himself a dance and do something to. Now you see Massacre come to dance and now copy Alkaline. So Alkaline a copy Vybz Kartel and Massacre copy Alkaline. Be a copy now, boy, and yo, me don't want nobody size up Vybz Kartel with some boy, bro. Me don't want nobody size up Vybz Kartel.
People, a crash out in a you man say yo from Vybz Kartel forward out. Alkaline start dance. Like say Alkaline never dance on stage for much years. Me tell you already, you know. Uno Gaza fan. Me tell you already. Uno weak. Me tell you, uno weak, dog. Uno want Alkaline to be Kartel so much. Till uno look some like a thin things. Man a drink water like Kartel. All of them look a necessary thing there. Bro, no obsessed with Alkaline, me G. Me I tell you no. Me no know how no think them type of way the dog. But uno just can't stop the greatness. I saw it go, me G. You see me?
Some boy, bro, be a copy and go in the dancehall, bro. Be a copy. When since Massacre turn dancer? When you tell me when since Massacre turn dancer?
Yeah, I want to find out something.
Big up Governor Bleachy.
Massacre do an interview. What have to do with Alkaline? Massacre do an interview. What have to do with Alkaline? Why Nico Fire? Why am I tell you, say Nico Fire. When another on that side, and on this side, and on over the side of my ear, so
I know I always think since something to do the arena and thing. I don't know, it's like you don't know the guys and the crooks them kinda at it, but I don't know the man them a try involve Alkaline in a situation to bombard. I wonder some of the time. Yeah man do interview, yo Alkaline if you do this, man do this, yo Alkaline if you do. Yo, me telling already, you know. If Alkaline never in a dancehall, boy, I don't know what would happen right now. Cause when you check it, everything revolve, every conversation Alkaline night. Even you see a woman when me call a while ago, she bring up Alkaline. All when a Massacre show keep, Jaja youth.
Clad, yeah, man, when I take your pill and bedroom. Where Alkaline want to take a page out of? Eh? Where Alkaline want to take a page out of? Massacre do an interview, what have to do with Alkaline? And that me ask, what have to do with Alkaline? Why them people are dumb like, hey, from me born, I know myself. I see people that do interview, I never see them a score interview now, and a get interview pints. I never see them something there.
Because Alkaline make them do it, man, because Alkaline no too do a bag of interview like that, so that's why.
No, as long as Alkaline do an interview, anybody else do an interview, it have to go give pints, and it have to go square up which one of them are the best interview. And when the blood clot this pigeon, me never see this yet. Nico Fire. Alkaline live free in your brain to blood clot. At this time you had this Massacre. The next time you had this Vybz Kartel. You're confused, brethren. You're confused. Sometimes you never want to watch the internet no more. Because so many blood clot mad people let out of Bellevue nowadays. Why?
That me I tell you, Governor Bleachy, boy, me I tell you, it's a big reason. It's the man them on the internet, bro. That's some joke thing.
It's not music no more. It's confusion. Well, I tell you. And that's why I know Alkaline are the greatest now. Every day people get up. Wait, but Masika do an interview. Wait after you do Alkaline. Man, a great interview. Where Alkaline should have said a film. And this and boy, man, them people they are blood clotted that yeah. Until the next time, I'm gonna beat you out.
Yeah, man, because Alkaline now say what them want hear, and that's the problem.
Masika show at Barclays was a really good turnout to me. A lot of people may say I compare the performance and the turnout of the crowd to Alkaline and Vybz Kartel, and we have to understand, people mad, but we have to understand that this is the internet and everybody have fans, and the fans them are going to come into action when it comes to their artists. And to me, congratulations to Masika is a big win for Jamaica, because we have proved say we artists them have pull. Even if I don't see them pull to another artist, where it a show say yo, the culture reach back that level there. In order for your artist able to full out Barclays like our Alkaline or a Vybz Kartel, them have to have fans where shame like a dog if they improve the other fan base them right. So like, me feel like Masika fan base are get there, but it's not there as yet, because Alkaline was able to full out Barclays because they couldn't prove Gaza fans right. They refused to prove Gaza fans right. And turn out, just for sure say, yo, we artists can do this too. And in order for every artist do that as Jamaican artists, you have to have a cult fan base like, oh, them man they have their fan base.
Well, me G, I saw you go in a competition, you know. The thing is that, remember, say Alkaline in a Barclays Center 7 months before him come do it by himself. You see me? At the end of the day, Alkaline been at the shows. Remember him do the UK show and everything at the same thing. He have nothing to do with Vybz Kartel. When him do the OVO arena, so at 12,500, him sell out. You understand? So, Alkaline been at doing thing in Billard sell out shows. You see it? It's just that now Vybz Kartel fought from prison now. So everything with Kartel do, they make it seem like say never did that happen before. Artists did a go in an arena, my G. You understand? Because would them a use Kartel prison hype. Or that, you know, the prison hype, the absence from going to these places. Remember, say Vybz Kartel never yet go Canada in him life. So what you expect when him go over there? He might go do back-to-back shows. Because him never yet go over there for him ban. So those things are expected. But them use them things they put over the artists. Them have been in Canada maybe about 100 times already. You understand? And that's the difference, my G. I just saw it go. You see it? But at the end of the day, I want dancer. The competition I got there. You see me? The bring down I got there. Especially from Vybz Kartel, fall from prison, a bagger. If you look at artists do something, them try to involve Vybz Kartel. Me see Vybz Kartel do a bagger arena, you know, people. Seeing? Now 2025. And about 10 page I post it up. Every time him do arena and he say sold out, right? And 1 page, remember, you know, remember 10 post Kartel, you know, and 1 page post Alkaline. You know when people in the comment do? I diss up a page nationwide, I diss them up, say, oh, you know, post up Kartel, Ray. One time them post Alkaline, the other page them not to post Alkaline, you know, and the 1 page we do it, them disrespect the page. I say them not post Kartel, like say a Kartel are the only dancehall artist. You understand? Imagine a 1 page post a show, and them a diss up the 1 page. But them now look on the 10 page where I post Kartel, you know. And say to them, say, yo, how many say wanna post Alkaline show? That's why I try to tell you mentality. Them man don't want no other youths to do greatness in a dancehall and them feel like say doing that I gonna make the genre grow. You understand? Every other artist where them say go in an arena, them run out. Sleepless nights. This, yo, Kartel, this. Man them start post up all Kartel video when doing an arena them. A bad mind mentality them, G. But because when Kartel are doing, nobody now bring down our the way on do or no do Massacre or no do Alkaline. You see me? Yeah, man. But I saw it go. You see it? Sometime in a life, something I have to just show and show who they are for the culture or who they are for your man. You understand? I kind of realize that the man don't care about the culture. Them don't want it grow. Only when Vybz Kartel do it. Yeah, man. But wait, man. Everything will make sense soon. And that me I tell you now. Kind of feel like say the world, the answer or the world revolve around all one artist. I put run with them controversy and I made a dance all, you know. So no sense. More on the talk and more on the this. You see, more on put Massacre and Alkaline in that conversation, my G. You understand? I'm more on making the artist like unknown. You see me? Because I don't really talk about him. You see it? But no, just go and crash out. I just one of them little things that at the end of the day I dance all, you know. Yeah, man, I just one of them things there. Because we don't even know more no do it. I'm more problem fool now. You see, because I make them look like fool. But people big up on themselves, you don't know how one media facts pan up. Mad thing.